Detective Yonko Hall Monitor Yonko back in the building, man. Talk to me, policeman Yonko, allegedly. Yeah, snitch man Yonko, for real though. Talk to me. Yeah. How you shoot your Amazon driver? You gotta be one of the dumbest people ever, boy.
Officers
White woman, Karen. I'm surprised she ain't spit on you, bro. I ain't see a vid like that in a long time.
rushed to a residential street after an Amazon driver calls the police stating that he'd just been shot in the eye and is experiencing temporary blindness.
Woo.
What's going on?
Those are hospital bills.
Red door. Red door?
Red door.
Okay. Where's that person at?
I'm not sure. The car was behind me. So I made a stop to, deliver the package. He parked in his driveway and walked down there by me because I was still down there. He said, why would you park in the middle of the street? This is our street or something like that. And I
Bro ain't even parking a man's driveway. The man walked him down and shot him in the eye.
told him just going about his business. I'm Amazon, that's my job.
Yeah.
So he was trying to fight me when he was saying all this stuff.
It was a black male?
Yes.
What kind of car was he in?
I'm not sure. It drove around the house.
Around to the back of this house?
It had to.
2316. It's going to be a black male subject. Apparently he drove
Oh,
his
wrong.
vehicle behind 6 on the same street.
We don't call, bro. You gotta fix your title then. We don't have black Karens. You gotta, hey, change your title.
What color was the car? Black car?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just hang out over by our cars? You're okay right now? Can you open your eye up? Okay. All right, just hang out over there and meet with one of those officers. In 23.
Hey, I hope you still on the clock too, boy. Get paid for this.
Be a black car. There is like an apartment type building back here. There's like an apartment type building back here.
Oh, okay.
Hands. Yeah, come here.
Yeah, I don't have anything. I'm the one who called you guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so he was pulling up, threatening us, telling us to get out of his way.
We're just gonna pat you down real quick. Hang on.
Okay, I don't have anything.
Okay. Do you have anything on you, man?
You got a white woman. You got a black man with a white woman shoot the Amazon driver. It's something with y'all bums. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. The black man with the white woman, y'all wanna act up. Mind you, your man look gay. I'ma keep it a buck with you. I ain't gonna hold nothing back. Your man look gay, straight 65. You know what I'm saying? The way bro done walked up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, your man gay.
It's just how we pat people down. Okay. You're good right now. Just like this. Spread your legs for me.
Anybody else in the backyard?
No.
Any dogs or anything?
In the house.
Okay.
Constantly kept threatening us, cussing us out. We're just telling him, you can't park in the middle of the road. He has his door wide open as he's walking to deliver packages,
Okay.
He can do that. He parked on the side, just like how every other car is right here.
Can I see your eye real quick? You're not bleeding bad. Is it still in there that you know of? No. Okay. Can you tell me what happened to what you know?
I delivered at this house. I stopped, and he drove to the house and parked, and he walked all the way down here, and then he asked, like, why would you stop in the middle of the street? I said, I'm delivering. That's my job, to deliver for Amazon. Yeah. So he was trying to
Crazy, that's another mosquito in the house, boy. Things be tearing my tail up over here.
fight me. I got back in the van, and I was going to deliver to the house across the street from him. Yeah. He walked up to me again, and I told him just go on by his business. His girlfriend get out the car, a white Caucasian, and she held up a rifle.
A rifle?
And she
Out of which?
I'm sure it's a BB gun, but she shot me in my eye.
Okay. Tell me what happened.
So it is a Karen, okay. Had to make sure you got that straight. Yo, woman. Oh, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. That's a crazy build right here. That's a crazy build, man. Look how you standing. I said you was gay when you walked up to the police. You got a whole woman stance going on, boy.
He pulls up, delivering Amazon packages, has his door wide open. He's across the street delivering a package. We hunt the horn for him to move his car. Another car is trying to get by, so he has to hurry up, run from whatever house he was at to shut his door. Then he slams on his brakes and wouldn't let us get by.
Wouldn't let the other car pass. Let the other car pass. While you sit behind the Amazon driver. Let that other car pass. You know what I'm saying? Then boom. It's a regular street. We do it all the time. People do it all the time. The mailman be out there dropping off stuff. People drive right past them. The ice cream truck. You know what I'm saying? Drive past them slow. People do it all the time. I ain't trying to hear none of that.
You go to drive over, he's not letting us go to turn in. We go to drive, he's not letting us go. Finally, I have to aggressively turn and drive around and cut in my yard a little bit just to park right here.
Okay.
You barely got grass.
He's screaming obscenities at me.
Like such as?
Such as, you know, F you, you're a f***, you know what I mean? Look at those tight ass pants.
Hey, I would have called you that too. Prime me would have did it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't say that word too much no more. I'm a changed man. It's 2026. I'm finna be 26 in January. Right? I don't say that slur. That's under me.
I'm trying to fight. Yeah, trying to fight. So I walk over there to him. I met him right there where he is now. He's still just cussing me out. He goes to reach in his vehicle once. Reached in his vehicle again. I'm like, wait, what are you doing? You know what I mean? Like, what are you doing? So my wife is seeing the whole thing. She gets out the BB gun. You know what I mean? He reaches in the car again, and actually he's just going to go and, you know, swat at me. And that's when my wife went on ahead and shot the BB gun, you know?
And he walked up to me like he was going to fight me. Okay. So I ignored him and got back in the van.
Huh? I have no idea, father.
And I was going to deliver to the house, like, trying to cross the street from me. He walked back up towards me saying, like, you're not supposed to do that, this, that, and the third. Okay. And I told him, like, really, like, go on about your business because this can go to a situation you don't want it to be. Then his girlfriend get out the car. I'm assuming that's his girlfriend. And she held up a rifle and she just shot it.
Shot it. What color was it?
Black.
Black.
Then they drove around to the backyard.
Okay. Where's the BB gun at now?
So it's back there in the yard.
In the yard?
Yeah.
Where at?
Don't nobody have no cameras? I got a little nap in when before mama went to work. Probably about an hour and 30.
House on the counter.
I'm sorry?
It's right in the house on the counter.
Okay.
Yeah.
The BB gun's in the house on the counter?
On the
A little ring cam?
Yes.
That man was just really just fucking up traffic, you know, and we honked his horn.
It was one man. If y'all counting yourself, just 2 cars. It's 2 cars. Y'all are behind him. Somebody finna get through on this lane. It's 2 cars. Stop it. And he's holding up traffic. It's 2 cars.
So he had his door wide open, and there was another car trying to come the other way, and the car had to wait for him to close the door. And he stays right there for a little bit, and we honked the horn to, you know, get him to go because we want to go home. And he starts yelling crazily at my husband, acting irate. And, you know, that's mine. You know what I mean? And he's reaching in his vehicle, you know, threatening my husband, continuously reaching in his vehicle. And I'm afraid.
What threats did he say?
For my husband's life, so I have a BB gun, and I pulled it out and I just popped a couple of shots, and that was it. We just went on about our way, and the police were called.
He is parked like he is, but further back the road with the door wide open, so cars can't make it past him. They pretty much come up, but they basically say, hey, can you close your door? Driver becomes instantly upset, yelling at the male, calling him all types of names, saying he's going to beat him up, this, that, and the other. She said then he reached into the van, came back out, quickly reached back into the van. She didn't know what he was going for, so she hit fight or flight mode.
I wouldn't think an Amazon driver got a weapon on him.
Fired some BBs.
When did she? So was this already in her hand, the BB gun?
She said they both said that she went in the car, we pulled her out, and then when she came out the car, she shot out.
She pulled out the BB gun when her gay boyfriend confronted the man. Come on, man. With an attitude. Yeah.
I'm not buying it. Even if that's
Boy, for him crazy.
Pop an Amazon driver in the face with a BB gun.
Yeah, over sober, you're not liking how they
Because, yeah, over that,
he's got a job to do.
What's his side of this?
It's pretty consistent. It's literally the same.
That he was there and that they were started cussing him out.
He was parked. They started cussing him out. They got out of the car. Other male comes up to him. Kept on going back and forth, like saying, "Hey."
Bro, bring that dog back inside the crib, man. Y'all out here tripping.
Cussing him out, whatever. He was like, "Yeah, I'm just trying to deliver my packages, so I wasn't worried about it." So then the male comes up again, and then out of nowhere, a female goes in the car, pulls out the rifle, and then shoots him.
A quick question for you. When you shot at him, about how far back do you think you were away from him? Were y'all like
Oh, I was still in my yard.
in your yard?
Mm-hmm. I was actually standing like right here.
Right here? And where was he at?
He was right there. Still in the same place.
He was not right there. Y'all just said his car was further back. Don't lie. Come on, man.
He's an Amazon driver. He has to do his job. He has to work the truck. Yeah. So she escalated that point. You know, like they could have de-escalated. They never chose to.
They did say they blew the horn. I feel like they just boom, 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 just kept it going.
Since they,
and I know their defense is going to be, well, we didn't know what he was reaching for. He's an Amazon driver. He's getting into his truck to get packages.
That's a defense their lawyer can bring up, but as of right now, what we can see.
This is probably ours all day. Yeah. This is fine.
Because he can still see out of his eye.
Well,
It's not even, I mean,
I just read ag assault. It still counts as it because it doesn't have to have the.
I'm suing that white woman, bro.
So the injury doesn't have to be. It's just the attempt to popping him in an eye with it being good.
And also,
that's we're not going to get aggravated battery because nothing was rendered useless nor temporarily useless.
Well, actually, as I found out, there is case law that if you have blurry vision as a result, that is ag battery. So.
Ooh, you going to jail? Oh yeah, come on, man. Hey, white brother said, well, actually, come on, man. I likes that. I ain't know nothing about that.
I need to just go talk. I need him to
say how long you have to lose the function of the button.
That's true. You're just temporarily disabled.
I'll go.
He was temporarily blind. You know what I'm saying? For like 15 seconds.
Clarify with him.
Let's lock her up.
If you want 10-15 on how.
We at least got ag assault. We'll go from there.
Yeah.
Okay. If somebody can come with me.
I got you. I'll come with you.
All right, ma'am. If you could turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, look at your man.
Right now, your charges are aggravated assault and aggravated battery, okay?
Woo!
Take a seat. Watch your head. I'm going to get you buckled in, okay? Can you lean back for me?
Yep.
I like seeing this. Give her some time.
Knock out a search warrant so we can grab the gun out. It's sitting on the couch.
Or we could, unless we just get his consent.
Well, that's what we were talking about. Right now, at this point, I'm going to say no because while he gives consent, she's the one fighting the cause. Yeah. And when her lawyer goes, she was already in handcuffs, arrested for this, and then you ask her for her consent to go into her house and get it, doesn't look good.
We can still read a Miranda and get consent.
It's legally and down the line. No? Down the line, it's just easier and quicker to do that. So even if it's plain blue, you still we're gonna get the search. What he's
Yeah, teach me. Come on.
I mean, if you get a poke in the eye, you're gonna be out for a second, and even if it's a second.
Assuming you're his boss.
No, I'm his brother.
Brother, okay.
She just smiled at me.
She's going to jail.
Huh? She just smiled at me.
She's going to jail for many felonies.
Oh, okay.
If she wants to smile, let her smile. She's going to court, or she's going to jail, and she'll have her court date. Okay.
Okay. So as far as the paperwork and all that, trying to figure out.
Stay in the shade here.
Who would he speak with about pressing charges?
So she's going to jail. We're arresting her.
Okay.
So how it works is she's going to be arrested for aggravated assault and aggravated battery. Okay, because getting popped in the eye, you lose vision, become temporarily disabled, things like that. It falls under ag battery. So she's going to jail. Okay. So he doesn't have to press charges in that sense. We're doing it essentially for him in that, like by arresting her, and that's pretty much it. So he'll get the DA's office will reach out to him as this kind of progresses and as this goes down the line, keeping him updated on the case, letting him know what's going on, letting him know, kind of everything, essentially.
Okay.
So that's taken care of.
Stay crib in our bag with the woman. I'm gonna go ahead and call everybody.
Hey, bro, don't let him talk to his woman. We don't. No. I ain't with that. No, she's in the back seat of the police car. I don't watch a whole lot of body cam vids, but y'all don't let nobody do this. Come on, man. No.
Body, and we have to bailed out in a couple hours. I know it takes a little bit to process you. So, do we know what she's being charged with?
I've got an idea, but let me just confirm with him. What is she being charged with, just to confirm?
So, ag assault, ag battery.
Aggravated assault, aggravated battery.
Okay.
Oh, that's it.
And that's it.
Okay. And those felonies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lock her up.
The 35-year-old woman was given 2 charges as a result of her actions: aggravated assault and aggravated battery. The aggravated battery charge was dropped, but she was found guilty on the aggravated assault charge.
Cobb County. Cobb County. That's Georgia, ain't it? Pretty sure that, yeah. Pretty sure that's Georgia.
She received a 10-year sentence, with the first 3 years to be served in jail and
10-year sentence. 3 years in jail for that. Hey, brother, that gay man, your little gay boyfriend, it's over for you. I'm so sorry. You finna lose him.
the remaining 7 years on probation.
It's Georgia Zoo. You losing him for sure. That makes sense for why your man is that way. You know what they call people out there in Atlanta.
Let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments. Stay safe out there.
Should have threw the book at her. I ain't gonna lie to you. Shoot the black brother like that. Should have gave her 25 years. You know what I'm saying? 25 years sentence. Cool little 15 years in jail. Armed battery, whatever. Yeah. That's just me though. That's what I would have done. You know what I'm saying? It seemed right to me.